Hi everybody, how was my last tutorial part about the short introduction to the modal verbs in the German language? Do write your reviews in the comments section. Now I mentioned some examples with two modal verbs can and must in my previous tutorial part, but actually for the time being you just need to know the modal verb können, can, how it is conjugated, and how it is used in the German sentences and questions. So let's have a look at the conjugation of können. Moving on, now all modal verbs in German are irregular because one or two irregularities when they happen in the conjugation of the verb, then the verb becomes an irregular verb. So some conjugated forms you will see are similar to the conjugated forms of the regular German verbs. So all modal verbs are irregular, but the good thing is that it is not difficult to remember the irregular part. So let's have a look at this table and I will show you what I mean. Können is can. I can, ich kann, you can, and by this you I mean the informal way of addressing someone with the word du, so it is du kannst. You can, when you're addressing someone in the formal way, you will use the word sie. And the reason I have put sie in the singular form conjugation is because sie refers to one person who is being addressed in the formal way. However, the conjugation of the verb with sie will be in the infinitive form. So it will remain können and it will be sie können. Then he, she, it can is er, sie, es kann. And here you can see the irregularity in this verb. The form of the conjugation is the same as the form of the conjugation for ich. So er, sie, es kann. We can, wir können. All of you can, and by all of you I mean I am addressing two or more people. So I am saying all of you. Ihr, ihr könnt, they can, sie können. So from my tutorial 6, you can see how we distinguish between these three z's. So this was the conjugation of the modal verb Können. And this is how all the other modal verbs are conjugated too. But they will come in my later tutorials. So that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 3 of this tutorial. Thank you.